Hi, my name is Seti and welcome back to another tips and tricks with AppsEvents and Acer. In today's video, we are going to jump into Google Sheets and I'm going to show you how you can filter your data by using a slicer. Now, a slicer is different from filters because they will look like a button that floats around your spreadsheet and allows you to filter data. So let's see it in action. Here we have our demo sheet, and in my sheet I have done a survey on what your favorite animal may be. Now you can see dogs, they got 15 votes, cats 25, fish 10 votes, and we have a chart that shows us the percentages. Next, I'm going to add in that slicer. So at the top, we're going to go to Data, and we are going to click on Add a Slicer. Now that slicer is going to now ask us for a data range. Well, I want to slice my data by using the different animals. So here I'm going to select my range, favorite animal. Let's select that range right there and click on OK. Now I have my slicer. You can see the slicer here. I can move this around my spreadsheet and it acts like a button. So you can see here now, when I close this, I can select whatever I want. We're going to move it to the right-hand side. I'm going to select, say, I want to see all the results for cats and dogs, but not the fish and others. And I click on OK. Automatically, my table and my chart reflects this data. We can now change this again. I can click back on my slicer. We can add fish to this. Let's click on OK. And you can see it's fully interactive. So slicers give us another way of filtering our data and visually representing it within our spreadsheet. This is incredibly useful when you have large data sets and you just want to highlight specific parts of that data set. It is also another way of filtering your data and making it more visually appealing when you're trying to present this to someone else. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This was another tips and tricks with AppsEvents and Acer. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.